Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss about remaining types of stem modifications. The third type, subaerial stem modifications. In some plants, the subaerial stem is modified to perform a variety of special functions other than stem normal functions called subaerial stem modifications. The subaerial stem modifications also are of four types, such as runners, offsets, stolons, and suckers. Very first one, runners. In this type, the runner arises from the base of node of stem and runs along the surface of the soil. At each node, the runner produces adventitious roots into soil and leaves above to the ground. In this way, many runners are often produced by the mother plant and they spread out on the ground on all sides. If any accidental injury results in the separation of a runner, the separated part are capable of leading an independent existence. Examples for runners are grasses, oxalis, fragaria, and strawberry. Let's see the diagrammatic representation of runners in oxalis and grasses. Both the plants' nodal regions produces adventitious roots into the soil and upper side they contains leaves. Each unit is called runner. Whenever this runner detaches from original or source or mother plant, they can survive as new individual plants, which is called vegetative propagation or vegetative reproduction. The second type of subaerial stem modification is offset. Generally, this type of modification seen in aquatic plants. The nodal regions of aquatic plant produces balancing roots on lower side, rosette leaves on upper side called offsets. The offsets grow in all directions from the main stem of parental plant. If any accidental injury results in the separation of these offsets, each one is capable of leading an independent existence. Examples for offsets are Pistia and Eucornia. Pistia is also called water lettuce. Eucornia is also called water hyacinth or terror of Bengal. Eucornia contains long, swollen, spongy petioles. Pistia and Eucornia both contains balancing roots for buoyancy and roots contains root pockets instead of root caps. Let's check the diagrammatic representation of offsets. In Pistium, nodal regions contains balancing roots on lower surface, rosette leaves on upper surface, balancing roots with root pockets. In Eucornia also, nodal regions contains balancing roots on lower surface, leaves on upper surface. Whenever these offsets separates from original or source or mother plant, they can survive as new individual plant, which is called vegetative propagation or vegetative reproduction. The third one, stolons. In this type, some plant stem which is near to the soil bends towards soil and when it contacts with soil produces adventitious roots called stolon. If stolons separate from the mother plant by any reason, it can survive as a new individual plant. Examples for stolons are Nerium, Jasminium, and mint plant. Here you have to know stolon is the lateral branch of plant which is near to the soil, and when it bends and contacts with soil, it produces adventitious Let's see the diagrammatic and it is called of stolon. See here the lateral branch of the plant which is near to the soil, it bends and contacted with soil or underground and produces adventitious roots and forms leaves on upper surface, which is called stolon, which helps in vegetative reproduction or vegetative propagation. The very last type of subaerial stem modification is suckers. In some plants, the lateral branch arises from the soil or underground with adventitious roots called suckers. If sucker separates from the plant by any reason, it can survive as new individual plant. Here you have to remember sucker is a lateral branch of plant and which is arised from soil or underground portion with adventitious roots. Let's see the diagrammatic representation of suckers. See here, the lateral branch are raised from soil or underground which contains adventitious roots. Whenever the sucker separated from original or source or mother plant, it can survive as new individual plant, which is called vegetative propagation or vegetative reproduction. Differences between stolons and suckers. Stolon is lateral branch which is near to the soil, and when it contacts with soil and produces adventitious roots. But in case of the lateral branch is arised from soil or underground and it contains adventitious roots. Important thing we have to remember regarding stem modifications is all underground stem modifications like rhizome, corm, stem tuber and bulb, and all subaerial stem modifications like runners, offsets, suckers and stolons helps in vegetative propagation or vegetative reproduction. But in aerial stem modifications, the only bulbils helps in vegetative propagation. Keep it in your mind. In next video class, we can discuss about another vegetative part, leaf, and its modifications. Thank you.